a video, and today we are doing a springtime inspired video, and I absolutely love the way the makeup came out. If you want to watch, continue to watch. If you want to see how to get this bomb look. What's up, guys? We're already starting with one eye already done, okay? Because I need to know what I was going for so that I won't be confusing y'all. So now we're gonna start on this eye. I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base as usual. So I'm going with my P. Louise base. I'm gonna squeeze some of that on the back of my hand. This is rumor number 5. You got to know I use the P. Louise base in every tutorial. So now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. This is the E29 brush. It's an eyebrow brush. I'm just brushing my brows in place. And yes, they do need to be done. Normally I don't fill in my brows, but I did on this brow just a little bit, like at the back of the brow. And you just kind of want to wipe under your eyebrow. Any hair that was extra, I definitely covered it up with the concealer. This eyebrow over here. You guys know we always have a perfect brow. And this is my perfect brow on this side. Okay. So now that we got that slathered all over our eye, we're going to go in with our Morphe brush. This is a blending brush. I use this brush, same one every time. This is the M335 brush. And you just kind of want to go in the front and buff it out and kind of blend it in so it won't be looking crazy. And sometimes I like to brush the product into the brows sometimes to give that faded effect. And we just tapping it out, tapping it out. And today, guys, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Heel Palette Volume 2. And yeah. So the first shade I'm going to take out of that Jaclyn Heel Palette. Tipsy Girl. We're going to take Tipsy Girl. And I have a video coming on my nails, guys, if you guys are interested. That should be up before this video, so I'll leave it up in the cards. But yeah, I'm going to go in and start tapping that right there. I like the way they do it right there, okay? It's like we're tapping it above the crease. And we're just tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, so now that we got that done, we're gonna go in with our next shade. It's called Positive T. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna put that right above that shade. And this is not a Morphe brush, guys. You guys know I normally always use Morphe brushes, but this is definitely off brand. We all have them in our set, you know what I'm saying? And you want to take that and you kind of want to just start blending that pink out. And you just want to take your time with this part. I like to use a smaller brush in this area. I could have used that brush that I put down the pink with, but I didn't want the colors to mix, so sis, that's why we didn't do that, okay? Because I didn't want the colors to mix. So now we're gonna go in with the yellow shade, and let me grab a new brush for the yellow shade. I'm gonna take the Morphe M503 brush, and I'm gonna go in with that shade No Joke, and that's the yellow shade. We're gonna go right above that. Like not in our brow bone, but close to the brow bone. And when you mix yellow and pink, it kind of makes orange, so it's giving us that orange feel, that orange vibe. And I'm gonna put on some gloss and let my lips moisturize, cause baby, they chapped. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go in and we're gonna cut the crease, taking that same P. Louise base. I always play down, look up. That helps you know where your crease or where your eyeshadow is going to transfer to, so that way you could just cut it up to where our eyeshadow gonna transfer to. If that makes any sense. I'm taking my NYX liner, guys. This is what it looks like. I ain't really talked to y'all the whole time because I'm on the phone with my mama. T. Okay. But yeah, that's why I got the ear product in. So disrespectful. But it's called Gerard Cosmetics. It's some stackers. And I'm taking a white gold. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it over the purples. Right there. Bam. Hopefully y'all can see it on camera because sometimes they don't be picking up how I want it to pick up on camera. Okay guys, so now we're about to do our under eyes. So now we're about to go do our under eyes. I'm gonna take that pink that we use, dramatic party. No, dance party, I'm sorry. I'm gonna just go in. I want this to be blown out under here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that peachy looking shade. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just kind of wiping off some of the product. And I'm gonna take that Positive T. And then I think I wanna put something in the inner corner, some kind of shimmer. Don't know what I wanna put though. This is a purple shade, cute. Yeah, we're gonna go in with that. I'm gonna take A Moment. And put it right here in the crease. I mean, in the inner corner. Okay, that's cute. And then I'm gonna put some I'm in it in the inner corner too. Let's just kind of lighten it up some. Okay, now let's go in our bottom lashes with our primer. Snatch her in, snatch her up. So I'm gonna take my Dior primer and go in. Got that. Now I'm gonna go in the top and blend my natural lash with the actual lash. Okay, so now let's go in with some lips. I'm gonna take my NYX lip pencil. This is in the shade Club Hopper, period. And it's a brown. So now I'm gonna take my Anastasia lip palette. Y'all, I swear, if y'all ain't gonna get y'all one by now, what y'all waiting on, okay? This is like my favorite thing in the whole wide world, this lip palette. I think I'm gonna go in with shade number 11. So I'm gonna take shade 11. I'm gonna dig some of that out with my nail. You know you're gonna dig it. Then I'm gonna go in with some gloss. I'm gonna take my Dior gloss. This is the maximizer, the lip maximizer in 001. A lot of people use this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take this P. Louise highlighter. This is what it look like. Okay, P. Louise, come through in the video. So I'm gonna take this highlight. It kind of look like a blush, but it's really highlight. I'm gonna go right here. Now we're done, honey. I'm gonna take my MAC setting spray. And this is the Gold Light setting spray. This is the MAC Fix Plus. Yes, it's not the matte spray. So we're gonna let her melt down, dry down. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to thumbs up the video if you want to see more videos from me and you want to get more recognition, okay? Share the video. And yes guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.